Good morning, this is Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. Just a bit of a midweek look at what's going on in the markets. Looking at gold here at the moment, this is a daily chart of spot gold. You can see that we've been in a fairly good uptrend just through the summer from the beginning of July. Got some trend lines on here just to make the channel clear. It's all working very well on a technical perspective. We've dipped recently in the last few days down to the 100-day moving average. That's that brown line here. But that coincides perfectly with the uptrend line that we've got here, which very clearly we bounced off yesterday. I think the exact point was 1356, and we pretty much hit it bang on and bounced. So we're looking a bit oversold on the daily stochastics as well, and possibly we're going to see a little rally now, at least into the end of the week, and possibly into the end of the month of September. Cable, British pound versus the US dollar is another quite interesting chart. This is a weekly chart. I'm taking it from a longer perspective. And there's a good reason for that. We've given the 2-week moving average a good run. That's 157.36. We managed to break that, but just above we've got quite long-term Fibonacci resistance of 157.80. Now we've managed to spike through there today to up to 158.26 on a strong unemployment number, but we are just sitting below there again now. We've pulled back a little bit. This is quite an important level, so watch that 157.80 area. I think we could start to see some profit taking on this. We've had a really good run up through the summer, but it is looking a bit overdone. It's looking a bit overbought. I'm looking for some profit taking, and I wouldn't really be bullish again unless we close above that high today of 158.26. Not a huge sell-off I'm expecting, but certainly some profit taking over the next few days. This is a daily chart of the dollar yen, going back again towards the beginning of the summer. The black line here is a clear downtrend line. We managed to break above that. You can see that over here. Then we had that big red candle where we came back to retest the trend line. We bounced perfectly off there. And above the 100-day moving average, which is the brown line that you see at 99.01. So it's all quite positive really, bouncing off the trend line, bouncing off the 100-day moving average, having broken above the trend line early September. This all looks quite positive in the short term, at least for the dollar yen. And lastly, the euro, not very clear really, no real patterns to give us any real clues, very range bound. We hit the top of the range around the middle of August, around the 134.5 area. We've pulled back halfway up to the 131.00 area. We bounced off that quite nicely. Now we're hitting resistance around the 132.80, 133.10 area. So a bit rangy really, and lacking direction, but just thought I'd point that one out. Okay, thanks very much. It's Jason Sen at daytradeideas.com.